Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary, and again I am back with a new Excel function that is called COUNTIF. COUNTIF function in Excel is a versatile function that allows you to count a cells based on a multiple criteria. It's particularly useful when you need to count a cells that meet a specific conditions across a different range. Let's see how COUNTIF functions works. So COUNTIF function syntax is like equals to COUNTIF ifs bracket open and select the first range. First range is name, employee name column, double quotation open, and then first criteria is Jack, double quotation close, comma, select the second range is location column, comma, double quotation open, and then second criteria is Mumbai, and close the bracket, hit the enter. You get the answer as a 5. There are 5 persons whose name is Jack is belong from Mumbai. So now you can see its syntax. And then COUNTIFs A2 to A39 is a first range because we are finding this name Jack in this range. Then first criteria is Jack, and then second range is B2 to B39 is a location range, and we find Mumbai locations. So there are total 5 employees whose name is Jack from Mumbai location. If you want to cross check, you can cross check with the filter. You can filter out Jack. There are total 7 employees whose name is Jack. In that 5 is belongs from Mumbai and 2 is belongs from Guwahati location. So the answer is correct. So one more time you can try COUNTIF bracket open, select the first range, comma, this time criteria would be Roy, different employee name, the comma, second range is location column, this time location is different, Chennai, double quotation close, and close the bracket and hit the enter. Now you can see there are 4 employees whose name is Roy is belong from Chennai location. So in this way you can use a COUNTIFs function to utilize your time and to save your time at your workplace. Hope you guys enjoy learning. Thank you for watching and happy learning. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you for watching.